just like tap it and you want to be darker. I think I want a little bit lighter, so leave it alone like that. You can do it over and over, like more than just one time. Oh, those you just did. Yes, definitely. This one. It doesn't look attractive at all. But we will make it blend it together. Only I need it crystal clear and just a piece of paper. I'm so excited. So after the live video, I got to watch Mika and she could do something. She said, oh, I'm gonna do something, it's really cool. So I said, I can't wait. Okay. So here's a crystal clear. If you're doing a first time playing with the fusioning, I'm promise it's gonna be so easy. Just tap it from outside in. If you want to, wherever you want to create the veins, just press it like outside toward to the center to wherever your veins gonna be. And it doesn't matter, you can do the veins like verticals or
nice.
These two color.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm excited you got to name this. That is so fun. So it doesn't matter. I'm liking it. So you want more veins on this, you just create more veins. There you go, lighter. Just don't use a lot of your crystal clear. Just little go a long way. Great. I'm gonna leave it alone because we want to do something fun with that. But however, doesn't matter. Each of your fusionings in marble is gonna turn out different look. Look at this, butterflies. Shoot. Let's see what flowers can we get. Maybe I should do just a leaf only. You think? There you go. Ha. I found out something that I'm gonna do with. If you don't want it, you can do absolutely a different one. But you know, I really like that butterflies just go well with that. I think so. I'm gonna do. I didn't know that this had the butterflies. I want this. I still vote for my green. But I just want just a little bit because I don't want to cover that part because I'm going to put the butterflies on. But this just depends on however you want. You don't have to be doing necessarily the same. I'm just cutting them. Oh. Look at that foul. Maybe I should do like that. Okay, good. Sorry, everyone. Just confused all of you. It's just me. You know me that I can't. Like, okay, here's my premiums I hold transfer foil. You never know when you have a piece of foil like that. You don't have to settle for this. Like you can turn different angle from your foyer. You can do like diagonals, you can do vertical, you can do horizontals, however you would like, or you can a little smaller pieces of it. So 30 seconds for this one. And I'm gonna do a whole part of this, and I'm gonna put this butterflies on it. You can double foils on the top of each other's. If you have stickers, which is I have a ton of them in here, but I don't know if I have exactly the same. They have some of them. This is few of them out of 1,000 of them I have here. I mean, just the butterflies. The holo is really stunning as well. But I want to do some of this. So if you don't have stickers, you can absolutely have this. I'm just want to show you. I would cut ton of them, but I want to show you right here that you can just like basically cut. You could do like something like this and cut it in ahead of time, like in advance with your clients when the clients is not there, or you have a few minutes break and cut them and then just press it on like you're doing a sticker, but with chamfer foil gel. Here we go. I don't know how many we have it now. Right there, and then we have a green. Oh, do you think, what about the green? I'm doing combo green. You see how I cutting it? I think I cut this one off. So you can cut them like that. There's probably, if you get ones like chamfer foil collection, that's the newest one. Okay, you have the 24, which is the butterflies, and then this is the newest butterflies, like the 56. This one has so many cool like vibrance. I see this one right here. I really like to play with as well. Also, this one is so stunning. I'm gonna pull it out. Maybe we want to use that one. So however you would like. Look at that. This one has so many colors. All right, where the chamfer foil? Which one? Is this one? No, this one. I see. I'm gonna do. Sorry, I moved the butterflies. And just get a little pot of roses. Oh, this pot is cute. All right. Here you go. Press on the center first. I love about this because it's clear on the foil, so you can transfer on any. Is this one you like it, right, Libas? Because you like the clear one, so you can transfer to whatever surface and colors of the nails if you like. You can do this in pink, you can do this in like green, purple, yellows, gold, silver, however you would like. It doesn't matter. And I love that fusioning to give it a really cool complete look instead of just plain colors. There you go. There you go. Here's a chunk for everything we need. That spot is gone. And now if you want to, either you can put the stickers on. They're super cute stickers. Found some of them. But I want to show you the double, if you want to double your butterflies on. So you can absolutely apply another coat of chamfer foil gel. This tutorial is for you who doing like a lot of chamfer foil, and if you have a lot of chamfer foils on, you can absolutely you can layer them. It doesn't have to be the same set. You can do one different collection on the top of the other. Here for 30 seconds, which is really fast though, because if you're doing all 10 nails or 5 nails or 2 nails or 4 nails for the clients, you're doing all 4 at the same time and you key it again. Just for all of you who don't have cute stickers, like some color of a sticker, you absolutely can alternate it, like substitute with your chamfer foil. And last two, we're probably gonna do stickers. And that's on the same design. This one is so tempting though. Should I do this one? Oh, I have that one already. But look at that. We're gonna save this for our green, the blue one. But look at that, the blue one though. You see how this one is more like a deep blue? It's like more baby blue. The details of butterflies is super, super stunning. Look at that, it have a green one too. It has the red, purple, smaller, like this have a different kind of butterflies. This one the same kind of butterflies. So Romaya's smoother is silicone, is a silicone too. Hey, thank you, Beauty Vixen. This is, if you have a silicone tool that probably can able to do that as well. This one is just so convenient. I picked that one on the one end, and the other end I'm using it to rub it. You can use it for your 4D gels as well. So let's see what we have on this one. Oh, she's big, huh? Be honest, she's really big. I want just tiny little one. Let me cut tiny one. Hold on. I have smaller one. Ooh, I found her. It is the same set too. It's the same set of chamfer foil. So tempting. Should I put this blue on it, everyone? I love it when I do the tutorial with all of you because you give me so much of inspiration. And let the purple wood cool. I'm gonna cut her in half. You don't have to have it necessarily half. You can cut the butterflies in half. Okay, I just need two because it's quite big. Let her there. And there. I'm using my tweezer. This has helped so much. I don't even have to touch my hand in there. But that is curved in here, so it's go perfect on the surface of the nails. It's not flat at all. It's just like shine for everything. Ta-da! I don't know if it's Eric's here. Hey, Genesee, how are you? Thank you so much, Live Ras. I appreciate you. Live Ras, you should be here, my model. We can have so much fun here. All right. This Eric here, if you are here, hello. I don't want to miss any of you because I didn't get to see right on that the screen. Thanks so much, Mushio. Please come on, Ramia. Thanks so much. All right, it's great. So doesn't matter. You can add more on it. Should I do any crystals on at all? Pearl? Anything you want me to do? Oh, look at this cute flowers. I don't want to spear that. One. Oh, there's so stick on it. It sticks so well on that one. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do something on it. Even though it's short nails, everyone's, I gotta do something like a matching for all of you. All right, so condensed glue gels. You don't want it absolutely top coated, here for 60 seconds, you are absolutely good to go. But you want something, here you go. I just want to give it more options. So if any of you doing like crystal placements and you're enjoying it with the short nails and a lot of cool background, you know what? Actually, I'm not covering my fusionings underneath. Actually, the fusioning was kind of compliments for my designs because as the designs Chanter foil is crystal clear, is clear foil, so then you're only seeing the details on the top of it. So I'm going to do no white top coat. It's really cool and it's kind of a cool long detail because I did like a fusionings and I did layer of chamfer foil. So for all of you who is getting fun with chamfer foil or have a little bit troubleshooting with the chamfer foil, you can absolutely having fun with that. Oh, this one too big. I might do a smaller one right there. Let's see what else we have here. Crystals. And then crystal right there. Pearl. Really nice. I want that curve. How's everyone doing with the contest? Can't wait to see all your beautiful work. All right. You can continue doing it more if you prefer. If you don't like anything of a crystal, you can just top coat and you are getting good to go. Maybe one more. Let's see, we have one more pearl. And then I'm go ahead and using my precision glue, seal it in right in the center of the flower. Just a little squeeze. Putting my metal beads right there. You can put any other of crystals as well if you prefer than just the beads. You can do that as well. Great. So I am going to cure this for 60 seconds. Hey, J. Marie.